Harpy eagle. The harpy is at the top of the food chain, so it is not afraid of anyone in its habitat. The wingspan is about 2 meters, the body length is more than a meter, the weight is about 9 kilograms. They are incredibly strong. One bird is able to steal a young roe deer or pig from the nearest farm. They hunt sloths, monkeys, snakes and other animals. They are aggressive towards those who dare to enter their territory. Every trespasser risks being torn apart by sharp claws. Not only claws serve as protection from enemies. In case of danger, the bird raises its feathers. Horns and a hood appear on the head, the body seems much larger. Often this is enough to scare any predator.